Hi everybody, it's me Aidan. Welcome back to my cooking show, my little chefs. Today we're going to be making banana popsicles. The ingredients that we're using are maple sugar, coconut milk, concentrated vanilla, and a banana. You guys see how it's brown? Most likely, you guys think it's gross or it's old. It's actually sweet and great for desserts. The items that we're using are popsicle molds. Most important thing. Woo! A quarter of a teaspoon, a big spoon, a fork, a plate, popsicle sticks. If your popsicle stick molds come with a popsicle stick holder, you'll be needing that. Guys, the first step is going to be peeling the banana. Guys, sometimes when your banana is brown, it's like so the peel breaks so easily. Like, look, you see, I'm barely doing anything. It breaks straight off. It's hard to peel a brown banana. Have your parents help. You see how it's like brownish and like softer? That's a good thing. Now guys, we want to take our fork and start mashing. Grab our sugar, our maple sugar, put some on top. Not really some, you just want to coat it. Now you want to take your milk, shake it up. Put not a lot. You actually want to put not a lot, like that much, because the more milk you put, the more amount you'll have. Now we want to take our quarter teaspoon and our vanilla extract. That's hard. Now you want to open up the vanilla extract, fill it to a quarter teaspoon, and put it on top. Now we want to grab our spoon and mix. Guys, it might look like we have too much milk, but it's actually not too much. So look, you see, now it looks like we don't have too much milk. Now we want to take our fork again and start mashing a little more to make it more fine. We want to get as fine as possible. Now, I want to take a big spoon and start putting it in the mold. This is going to be so delicious. Now it's time for the fun part, getting rid of the ones that didn't get filled. We want to replace it like that, so it doesn't fall. Now it's time for the fun part, putting the lid on. And 3, 2, 1, boom, drop it in. Yes. Now it's time for the freezer. Follow me, guys. Open the freezer very carefully and put it in. Be careful. Yay! Yay! Now it's time to wait. Why does it take so long for this thing to freeze? Wait, it looks like it's all frozen. Yeah, I think it's frozen. Let's burn it over and get it out. Time to get it out. Guys, now you see how it's still in the mold? Let me show you how to get it out. Now follow me to the sink. You want to turn on the boiling hot water. Wait for it to heat up. Now guys, you want to run it under the hot water on each side, like that. Now check if it's ready. Yay! It came out. Look how good that looks. Guys, I can't believe we made banana popsicles. Look how they look so good. It's time to try. So good. Guys, don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. Bye. See you next time.